The Professor's Plan. The year is 2037. The world is at war. The two sides are evenly matched, and neither side can seem to gain an advantage. One day, a team of scientists working for the Allied forces developed a new type of carbon nanotube composite material that is incredibly strong and lightweight. They use this material to create a new type of aircraft that is far superior to anything the enemy has. The new aircraft is called the Stormwing. It is fully automated and controlled by a sophisticated AI system. The Stormwing is small and agile, and it is powered by a scramjet engine that is made from the graphene composite material. The Stormwing is also equipped with a variety of weapons, including missiles, bombs, and machine guns. The Stormwing is designed to be a high-speed, low-altitude aircraft. It is capable of flying at speeds of up to Mach 2.5, and it has a range of over 1,000 miles. The Stormwing is also very agile, and it can make sharp turns and evasive maneuvers. The Stormwing is manufactured using a new type of 3D printing technology. This technology allows for the creation of complex and intricate parts, which makes the Stormwing more aerodynamic and efficient. The Stormwing is also very durable, and it can withstand the rigors of combat. The Stormwing is a fearsome weapon. It is capable of destroying enemy aircraft, tanks, ships, and infrastructure. One day, the Stormwing is sent on a mission to destroy a hydroelectric dam that is providing power to the enemy's forces. The Stormwing flies down the river, dodging enemy fire, and eventually reaches the dam. The Stormwing fires its missiles at the dam, and the missiles hit their targets. The dam collapses, and the river is flooded. The enemy's forces are caught off guard, and they are quickly defeated. The victory of the Stormwing is a turning point in the war. The Allies are now on the verge of victory, and the enemy knows that it is only a matter of time before they are defeated. The enemy's plan. The enemy forces are shocked by the power of the Stormwing. They know that they cannot defeat the Stormwing in a conventional battle. One professor in the enemy country is intrigued by the Stormwing's capabilities and limitations. He begins his own study without any government support. He analyzes the attack executed by the Stormwing and figures out that it was a high-speed aircraft with powerful weapons, tracking systems, and precision devices. He assumes that the Stormwing must be a low-altitude aircraft because the efficiency of these advanced technologies depends on the latitude of the flight. The professor guesses that the Stormwing must also have a very sophisticated AI system, but he also knows that it is not perfect. He believes that if he can send the right kind of false information, he can trick the AI system into making a mistake. This AI system is impressive, the professor mused to himself. But it's not perfect. I think I can trick it. The professor begins to gather information about the AI system. He studies the way the AI system works and learns about its strengths and weaknesses. He also gathers information about the Stormwing's missions, and he learns about the kind of information that the AI system might be looking for. I need to find a way to get the AI system to trust me, the professor thought. Once it trusts me, I can start sending it false information. With these assumptions, he designs a plan to destroy the Stormwing on its next visit. He plans to confuse the Stormwing's AI system with false information, and then attack the Stormwing using 9 high-altitude aircraft with lasers from different locations simultaneously. He assumes that since those 9 aircrafts are flying at very high altitudes, the low-altitude Stormwing will not be able to detect them. The professor's pitch. The professor goes to his government and pitches his idea. The government is skeptical at first, but the professor is able to convince them that his plan has a good chance of working. The government agrees to fund the professor's plan, and the professor begins to put his plan into action. The battle. The next time the Stormwing comes to attack, the enemy is ready for it. The professor sends false information to the Stormwing's AI system to confuse it and make it make a wrong move. He sends information about targets that do not exist, and he sends information about threats that are not real. He also sends information that is intentionally misleading. The AI system is initially confused by the false information. It tries to make sense of the information, but it cannot. Eventually, the AI system becomes so confused that it fails to detect the real threats. The AI system is starting to believe me, the professor thought with satisfaction. Now it's time to strike. The Stormwing is then intercepted by the 9 high-altitude aircrafts, and it is destroyed by their lasers. The defeat of the Stormwing is a major setback for the Allies. They know that they will need to develop a new strategy if they want to win the war. The aftermath. The defeat of the Stormwing is a wake-up call for the Allies. They realize that they cannot simply rely on their technological superiority to win the war. They need to develop new tactics and strategies that will allow them to defeat the enemy, even if they have superior technology. The Professor's success. The Professor is hailed as a hero. He is given a medal by the government, and he is given a high-ranking position. The Professor's plan is studied by military experts around the world, and it is considered to be a major breakthrough in the field of air warfare. The AI experts are also fascinated by the Professor's plan. They are particularly interested in the way he was able to trick the Stormwing's AI system. They believe that his plan could be used to develop new ways to defend against AI-powered weapons. Thanks for watching.